Texas gets 3, Missouri gets 8 tornadoes per 10,000 square miles. Kansas gets 11. Now, Kansas actually, surprisingly, is not the highest. Mississippi gets 13 tornadoes per 10,000 square miles. But when you're talking about the tornado alley, Kansas and Texas are very high. And in fact, nationwide, Kansas is number 3 when it comes to judging it by the square miles, and then number 2 when it comes to the amount of tornadoes in that state. Kansas gets an average of 83 tornadoes per year, while Missouri gets 46. This is just a sneak peek of my long video on tornadoes and living in Kansas City. So be sure and click the link below to watch that full video, and it includes things on what you can do to prepare for tornado season.